The emphasis of the week in Rome was to explore ideas around cross-disciplinary research, considering the possibilities and challenges that cross-disciplinary research can present. The theme of the week was looking at Rome through a different lens, especially thinking about a decolonizing perspective and research which is not readily available through mainstream narratives of a site or a discipline. EUR is a residential and business district in Rome. The area was originally chosen in the 1930s as the site for the 1942 World's Fair, which Mussolini planned to open to celebrate 20 years of fascism. The building shown here, known as the Colosseo Quadrato, or Square Colosseum, is an example of Italian Rationalism and Fascist architecture with neoclassical design. The building was designed to be the Museum of Italian Civilization at the 1942 World's Fair, demonstrating the superiority of Italian architecture. However, the World's Fair was cancelled on June 3, 1941, whilst the building was being finished. By 1942, the EUR was declared a dead-end project, and the fall of the fascist regime followed in 1943. I also undertook a walking tour that encompassed my architectural interests in Rome. My first stop was the MAXXI, the National Museum of 21st Century Arts, designed by Zaha Hadid following an international design competition. The museum took more than 10 years to build and opened to the public in 2010. It received the Sterling Prize for Architecture in the same year. Once inside, the spaces are interlinked with ramps at different heights and often feel suspended in a vacuum, with gallery spaces off the ramps. The spaces feel fluid and flexible and enjoy lots of natural light. I also enjoyed visiting the Palazzetto della Sport, literally known as the Small Sport Palace, constructed for the 1960s Summer Olympics in Rome by Pier Luigi Nervi. Lastly, on my walking tour, I visited the Parco della Musica by Renzo Piano. The building has 3 concert halls with an outdoor theatre. During construction, excavations uncovered the foundations of a villa dating from the 6th century BC. Piano adjusted his designs to accommodate the remains and included a small museum to house the artifacts discovered. Overall, the visit to Rome was a fantastic experience, and I would highly recommend any doctoral student applying in the future.